Raise your hand if you want to say anything.
Ma'am, you repeat the answer.
Okay, the question is, how do amoeba, paramecium, hydra, and frog procure their food? So you write that amoeba use their false feet or pseudopodia. Paramecium use their hair-like cilia. Hydra use their finger-like outgrowths called tentacles. And frog use their sticky tongue to procure their food.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, number 3. Explain the parts of human digestive system.
Ma'am, the alimentary canal along with the digestive glands is called digestive system. The digestive system of human being consists of following organs like esophagus, mouth, and digestive glands, ma'am. Ma'am, there is in 17, page number 17.
Yes, that
Well,
Ma'am, the second part. Ma'am, second stanza of human digestive system.
yes. You write that. Okay, first you start like human digestive system are constitutes of alimentary canal,
human digestion is also possible that food into the mouth space.
alimentary canal, and digestive glands, and uh, esophagus, teeth. You have to write every organ included in digestion. Every organ that participates in digestion.
Answer of C?
Okay, human
Ma'am,
digestion.
can you repeat
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer of C?
Yes, I am going to repeat the answer. Human digest. Okay. Here the question is, explain the parts of human digestive system. So you can start like that. That human digestive. The parts of human digestive system are. You start with that. The parts of human digestive systems are
Parts in the digestive system in the mouth.
alimentary canal and the digestive glands.
Ma'am, glands, you tell.
Yes, glands, plural.
Okay.
If after that you stop the sentence and then you write the parts of. Tell me again. Could not hear you.
Ma'am, tell from past.
Okay, the parts of human digestive system are digestive tract or alimentary canal and digestive glands.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Slok. So you are late, I think. You switch on your camera.
Ma'am, you absent me.
Yes, because I called your name twice or thrice, but you weren't there. You did not answer or you did not open your camera. So I marked you absent. Okay, it's been 15 minutes now. You cannot just log in and go away. Okay. You have to be present there.
No, ma'am. My network is probleming. That's why.
But now you are having a very good network connection. So whatever you're doing, that you do now, and you always keep your camera open. Okay. If you want to, you switch off your microphone, but you keep your camera open. I am going to update your attendance.
Ma'am, question number 4 answer.
Question number 4. Have you completed question number 3? You have to name all the organs also.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now present me.
Yes, I have done that. But you keep your camera on always.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Like
ma'am, we draw the picture.
No, not.
No,
If it is
the
for
digestive
five-
system.
yes, if it is
name.
in question paper, if it is 5 or 8 marks, you can draw it. But now you don't have to draw it. You just name the organs. Okay. Then that was first 2 sentence that I told you to write for question number 3. Then you have to name the organs involved in digestive system. That is teeth.
Man, can you repeat the question answer?
Yes. Have you written the first 2 sentences?
Ma'am, I have written that the part of human digestive system are alimentary canal and digestive glands, mouth, esophagus, stomach, small
That's-
intestine, large intestine, and anus. The
Yes,
digestive glands consist of the salivary glands, pancreas, and liver.
Yes, but you have to put a full stop after the second.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you don't read it like that. And
No,
you have
after anus.
no. You write that. Okay, so there is 2 parts mainly: the digestive tract, which is small intestine and large intestine, and the food pipe. Everything is included in it, and the digestive glands. So in with that, you have to also write the teeth, tongue, yes, teeth, tongue, stomach, etc. Liver, pancreas, these all are in digestive system. They all help in digestion. So you have to mention every organ. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone completed.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So number 4. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I also completed.
Okay. Okay. Are you saying anything?
Ma'am, some noises coming. Tell them to mute, ma'am.
Okay.
Everyone who
So switch on your camera. If I don't see you all the time, I will again mark you absent. Yes. Okay, Asif Alfia.
Ma'am, but my sometimes camera is probleming.
Yes, but and
Now
sometimes
I switch on my camera and that is saying off.
okay. So whenever I see your camera off, I will ask to start the video. If you're not there, you cannot do that maybe. So you always, yes, you always do it like that. If I don't see you or anything, like you're doing that for every class, as far as I remember. So you just switch on your camera all the time. Alfia, Trishan, Sastik, you Prince.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone, switch on your cameras.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And
ma'am, question number 2.
question number 2.
Ma'am,
Yes.
4.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Alfia.
ma'am, are you saying something to me?
Yes, I was asking to switch on your camera because I cannot know if you're there or not. If you switch off your camera.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, explain the 4 types of teeth. So there is this part here with teeth. There are 4 types of teeth, and you have to write how many teeth of which. So you write that the teeth in front are called incisors, which cut the food into bite-sized pieces. On either side of the incisors are sharp pointed teeth called canines. These spear the food. Behind the canines are the premolars and molars, which grind the food. There are 2 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars and 6 molars in each jaw. You write that.
Man, repeat question answer.
It's in your page number 18.
Ma'am, it is in the book only, page number
Yes.
18.
Yes, page number 18 under the heading teeth.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Meat teeth and protein
Yes,
teeth.
ma'am, please answer in the app.
Yes, I will ultimately give the answers in the app.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but you write here now. This is classwork.
Neck teeth and protein teeth.
So you write what is under the teeth heading. You write from third line. The teeth in front are called incisors, which cut the food into bites. On
Ma'am.
either, yes.
Ma'am, chapter 1 inside question answer you have not seen.
No inside question answer I have said, because your exercise has a lot of question, and if I feel that no question is there, I will give it ultimately with other chapters. Okay, I will not give.
Ma'am,
Yes, Tishan.
ma'am, you give your homework, ma'am, question answer.
No, my homework was A, B, and F. No, A, B, C, and F.
Yes, ma'am. ABC and FD we have done in the
Yes.
class.
Yes, D we have done in the
Okay.
class, and E we are doing in the class. The small question answers, MCQ, true, false, these are your homeworks. Okay, Alfia, I will give inside question if I fail.
Ma'am, I think it's not needed, ma'am, because ma'am, this is a FA1 ma'am exam, so there will be 20 marks. If
Yes.
you make how
Yes.
so much question, then how you can means make the
Yes,
question.
Riyaz, that's correct. But if any chapter requires that, I mean, other questions other than that exercise.
Ma'am, I am not telling that you don't give the inside question.
No, I know.
I'm not telling.
Yes, it's up to. I mean, there is not much questions left to give, because inside the exercise the exercise has a lot of questions, and I don't think you will
Ma'am,
need
exercise
another.
questions are from inside question only.
Yes, there are 7 and 6, 13 questions from the chapter itself, and for chapter 2 also that. So if I feel that other than 13 questions, you need another set of questions, I will give that, and I will give that for the chapters together. Like I will give that for chapter 1, 2, 3 all together, not single one by one. Okay. So after
Ma'am,
which,
I think diagrams will come
yes, you have to
like
draw
this, ma'am, the
yes,
tongue,
digestive.
ma'am, the teeth.
No, tongue is not important, or you can, maybe you have, if you explain, you have to explain, or the marks is 5 or 8, you have to draw, and the digestive system, that you also have to draw, and you have to level the parts when you explain what are the organs This you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
to
Okay, ma'am.
practice.
Diagram will come, na? I just asking.
Yes, diagram will come. Yes. Who else was asking anything?
Okay, ma'am.
Writing, ma'am. I have completed my writing.
Oh, okay, Jitu, but you completed all the answers. Only 4.
Writing the key up to the
Your network connection is very poor.
Up
I
to the
barely
jaw, I
understand.
have written.
Oh, up to?
Ma'am, time is stopping, going up.
Okay, I am
And I have
reading.
written up to jaw.
You have
Yes,
written up
ma'am.
to draw. Okay, okay. Okay, so number 5. So everyone completed number 4?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, someone said no.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed.
Okay, so someone said no, ma'am. So we are waiting for them. Then we'll go to number 5.
What?
It's up to Joe. The chapter finish of the paragraph.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the number 4, I have written that the teeth inside the in the font are called incisors, which cut the food into bite-sized pieces. On the either side of the incisor are sharp pointed teeth called canines. These tear the food tear the food. Behind the canines are the premolar and molar, which grind the food. Ma'am, up to this.
Okay, then write the last sentence also. There are 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars, and 6 molars in jaw. Each jaw.
Okay,
Write
ma'am.
that sentence also. Okay.
I'm completed.
Okay. So everyone completed. I
Ma'am,
think.
me also completed.
Okay. So everyone, I think, is completed. Has completed the question number 4. So now question number 5. What is the role of esophagus in digestion? See, in page 19, there's a heading esophagus. So you can start that esophagus is the long tubular tube through which the food.
Ma'am,
Okay, Alia, Alfia, tell me.
ma'am, in which page?
Page 19. See, there is a heading called esophagus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so there is the answer. You write that esophagus is a long tubular tube
Ma'am, esophagus is a long.
tubular tube or esophagus is a long tubular structure that runs from pharynx to neck and chest. The esophagus
Ma'am, that run.
runs from pharynx to chest. To chest, then you write that no digestion takes place, and you write from that no digestion takes place here. The food is gently squeezed downwards into the stomach by the rhythmic contraction of muscular walls of the esophagus.
Read the question number 5.
Yes, I am telling the question number 5. Okay, I will. Should I repeat it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so esophagus is a long tubular structure that runs from pharynx to the chest.
Ma'am, can you listen?
Hello, ma'am. I didn't have any doubt, but ma'am, share this screen again.
I cannot understand you. I am muting everyone else. You unmute and tell me. You unmute and tell me. Okay, who was asking something? Just unmute and tell me.
Ma'am, I am telling that till the next. Ma'am,
Okay,
you tell
next.
to the
Okay, next you write.
Yes,
that-
ma'am. Till the next.
Next, you write that no digestion takes place here. After that, you write the next sentence. The food is gently squeezed downwards into the stomach by the rhythmic contraction of muscular walls of the esophagus.
ma'am, after the esophagus.
Yes, up to esophagus. Okay, you write that. Let me know when you complete that.
Incomplete.
Okay, so the last question.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, what is mastication? Can you repeat the answer?
Mastication is the process by which the teeth breaks food into smaller parts, smaller particles. In page 18, see, in digestion in
Ma'am.
mouth, yes. Mastication is the process by which teeth break the foods into smaller particles. That is mastication. Okay, so everyone completed question 5, then question 6. Explain the 4 chambers of stomach of ruminants. Here is your answer in page 20.
Ma'am, from anyone's home the sound coming.
Yes.
From anyone's home sound is coming.
Your voice is breaking.
Here heard. Ma'am, I am saying anyone's home sound is coming. So heard brothers doing class and
Okay, okay. So if anyone's brother or sister doing any class, they just mute for now.
My brother is in class.
Oh, okay. Okay, you just mute for now.
Ma'am, I have got the answer.
Okay, you have got the answer of question 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's in page number 20. Yes, you write that. Okay, so ruminants have a special stomach for 4 chambers. These chambers are rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. So you explain the 4 chambers. I don't think there is much time left. So if you try to complete that, if you
No, ma'am, it is 12:30 only. 12:20, 20.
yes, your class is till 12:20, isn't it?
Ma'am.
Yes. So you try to complete that. You try to finish that in your home. If you are having any problem or if you have any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow again. Okay. Well then.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, tomorrow again you discuss the class, the question number 6 again. Once.
Okay. Okay. We'll discuss that and we'll start a new chapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So everyone. So ending the meeting.
Fiber to fabric.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
This study material also.
Yes, I will
Thank you, ma'am.
upload study material of 1 and 2. I think I have not even given 1 study material also. So I will give.
Ma'am, you have given to all questions of chapter
Oh.
1.
Oh, then I have done that. Maybe I forgot.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
then okay, okay. So I will give for chapter 2 also, and okay, and we'll start the new chapter. Okay.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Yes.
See you tomorrow, ma'am.
Yes, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. See you in tomorrow.